Today, I'm going to show you how to replace both idler pulleys on an LBZ Duramax Chevrolet truck. This should also apply to other engines in the Duramax family. First, let me just show you what it sounds like when your idler pulley is going bad. It's that sort of a buzz or a hum that you're hearing off and on. To remove your idler pulleys, the first thing you need to do is remove your drive belt. I made a separate video that has step-by-step instructions for removing your belt. Go ahead and click here to view that video, and then when you're finished, you can return and watch the rest of this procedure.
Alright, now that we have access to the idler pulleys, they're going to be on there very tight, and they're a little bit difficult to get off. They use a 14 millimeter nut on the end of them. I'm going to reach down here and just kind of spin them. That one seems to spin freely, so I believe it's good. Spin the other one. You probably can't see it, but this one does not spin freely. In fact, it's nearly seized. I can spin it with my hands, but it's quite tight and difficult. So, that lower one looks like our problem. These tend to wear out at about 100,000 miles. This truck has 170,000 miles on it, so it did pretty good. I think I'm going to go ahead and replace both since I'm in here anyway. Just trying to get a little extra leverage. I went ahead and just put a gear wrench on the end of it, and then I've got some vice grips that I clamped to the end of that. And that just gives me a little more leverage to be able to pull this loose. And it's coming, so that's good. And probably take this off now. Once you got them broke loose, they come apart pretty easy. Alright, and there's the first one. And this one is still relatively good, but it's a little noisy. And then I broke that bottom one loose the exact same way as I did the top. Alright, this is the bad idler. Let's see if you can see this. See, it don't even hardly want to turn. It's pretty much seized up. Bearings have gone out on it. So I'm gonna go get 2 new ones and put them on. Now I'm just gonna reach it down and get these started threading and then tighten them back in. Not exactly easy to get my hand down there to get it threaded on, but somehow or another I did it. Kind of like this. And so I'm just starting it by fingers, and then I'll go back behind here and tighten it. I don't know what the torque specifications are on these offhand, but I know it's very tight. So make sure you get them on real tight. I've got the new idlers on. There's one. And it's hard to see the other one down in there in the dark. There's the other one. Now that they're on, all I've got to do is put that belt back on, and that job will be done. At this point, you're going to want to switch back to my other video that shows how to put a drive belt back on. Got those idlers installed. It sounds so much better. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.